Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're thinking about starting your own business, there are a few things you should know before you do. Starting a business is a big decision, and it's important to be prepared. In this video, we're going to discuss 4 things you should know before you start your own business. Point 1 is to have a solid business plan. A business plan is a document that outlines your business idea, target market, competition, marketing strategy, and financial projections. It's important to have a clear understanding of your business and your goals before you start. A business plan will help you stay focused and guide you through the process of starting and growing your business. Point 2 is to know your target market. Your target market is the group of people who are most likely to buy your products or services. It's important to research and understand your target market so you can tailor your marketing and sales efforts to them. Knowing your target market will also help you develop products and services that meet their needs and preferences. Point 3 is to have a financial plan. Starting a business requires capital, and it's important to have a solid financial plan in place. This includes a budget, cash flow projections, and an understanding of your revenue and expenses. You should also consider how you will finance your business, whether it's through a business loan, crowdfunding, or personal savings. Point 4 is to have a support system. Starting a business can be a challenging and lonely journey, and it's important to have a support system in place. This can include friends, family, mentors, or business partners who can offer advice, guidance, and support when you need it. You should also consider joining networking groups or associations to connect with other entrepreneurs and gain valuable insights and resources. Those are 4 things you should know before you start your own business. Remember, starting a business is a journey, and it's important to be prepared and stay focused on your goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.